Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today we are going to make cashew katli, which is so delicious and everybody loves it. Cashew katli is so simple and so healthy also, but sugar you need to add little when compared to what you buy from outside. I'm going to make it with a perfect sugar, maybe little more because I'm going to give it to guests. So I'm not going to make it with less sugar, little perfect sugar I'm going to make. You can also lessen the quantity of sugar. For that I have blended the cashew, about 250 grams of cashew with little water. I have not soaked the cashew and I have not used milk, nothing. With little water I have blended the cashew, that is mixie jar. Whatever you get from that blended cashew mixture, same quantity of sugar, maybe 4 to 5 spoons less you can take, and make the tawa dry, not heated, and then add this cashew and sugar and then turn on the stove. Once you turn on the stove, keep on stirring it. I am showing the real time, not an edited one. Till the cashew is perfect, I am not going to edit. So you will be getting an idea how it will change its consistency. No flavors, nothing, no essence, no need for anything. Only cashews, that is Kaju, and then sugar. You can also use brown sugar instead of refined white sugar. That will be a good choice. Once you practice and get an idea the consistency where we should turn off the stove, then it will be very easy. If it is more than half kilos, it will be tougher to stir, but half a kilo and this 250 grams will be very easy. Don't add ghee, milk, only cashews and sugar. Only 2 ingredients. Cashews are very good for health. It is rich in zinc, so you can give to kids because it is so nutritious. And I am showing you the consistency. Keep on checking it once it starts to settle in the base. So you can see it is sticking in the bottom. At this point you need to take a little and then see whether it is done. How you can see is, what is the clue for it is done is, You need to take a little and then make it cool. In 2 minutes you can touch it and see whether it is done. Like, once it can be rolled over your palms, once you get a perfect ball like consistency, then you can be sure that this is the consistency. Then you can be sure, and then you can turn off the stove. So I am checking it. It is little hot. So the key for Katli is the consistency, or else it will become like a burfi. Or if it is so loose, it will become like a halwa. I can roll it, and if I press, it's just like that. So it is not sticky and it is not dry. So I have turned off the stove, and then I'm going to make it cool. So the bottom, you will be getting some brown, how to say, the bottom you need to remove all the brown parts which are stuck, so that you can roll. So leave it for a while. Don't touch it till it is cool. That is, it should be little warm. You can touch it like that. It should not be so cool, or it should not become dry. Before that, mix it and then take little portions and with your palms make it a ball. See, it is not sticking. I'm removing all the dark parts which are stuck at the bottom. We can eat this. It will be very nice. So tastier. That brown part of this. After making balls out of all the cashew paste, then take everything together and roll it. It's like giving a polish, like a roti or chapati dough. You need to polish the cashew paste. Now take everything and then make it like chapati or thick roti. You can also use a rolling pin. I am making this after a long time. Maybe more than a year. And then you can cut it in whatever shape you wish. The corner parts you can take it out and roll it again and then make a shape. It's very easy to make and it's healthy also if you make it with less sugar or with the brown sugar also. You can do this. Please enjoy this recipe, Cashew Katli, and then comment to Shami Cooking Mantra and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.